Hi, it's Rada. Today we're going to do a gentle core workout. So this workout is suitable for beginners. I would say the one thing that you need to pay attention to is if you're having abdominal pain, then obviously I wouldn't do a core workout. But other than that, if you're having a decent day, then this is a workout that should be accessible for you. We're gonna go slow and controlled, gentle. All my little mini workouts are 5 different exercises for 10 reps. And then you can repeat that as many times as you want. So if you're having like a great day and feeling good, just keep going through the 5 exercises. If not, it's really a complete workout with a very gentle warm up, 5 exercises for 10 reps, and then a gentle little stretch series at the end. So let's get started. We're gonna start out on our hands and knees. So if you have any wrist issues, I would use your fist for wrist, so it keeps the wrist in a straight line. And we're just gonna start with some cat-cows. So just rounding the spine up, pulling the belly button up towards the spine, tucking your tailbone under slightly, and then relax, come back to neutral, and then let the ribcage sink down. Lift up through the crown of your head. Keep letting the ribcage get heavy. Try to turn your tailbone up more. And then just flow from one to the next. We're just trying to warm up the spine, get the blood flowing to the core. And just do that 2 more times. And you can breathe wherever it feels natural. And try inhaling as you come up, pulling the belly button up towards the spine with you. And then exhaling as you go down. Or if that doesn't feel right, you can do the opposite. People always teach it differently, so. All right, so we're gonna start with the navel to spine lifts. So with this, you can do it on your hands and knees, or you can do it on your belly. I'm just gonna show you quickly what it looks like if I lift up my shirt. All right, so navel to spine, if my belly's relaxed, it looks just like it is right now. But if I engage my core, you can see the abdominal lift up a little bit. And that's what we're going for. It's not, this is relaxed, and then sucking in would be, no, that puts me in a position that I can't breathe very well. So that's not what we're going for. We wanna just stay relaxed, lift the abdominal wall up towards the spine. So sometimes I find this easier to do laying on the belly because my belly is touching the mat. So now when I lift my navel to the spine, my belly comes up off the floor. So now I have a tactile sensation. So pick which position you'd like to do this in. We're gonna do it 10 times, just lifting up, engaging for 3, 2, 1, and relaxing. So let's get started. Go, pull the belly up, 3, 2, 1, relax. Good, again, pull up, 3, 2, 1, relax. Again, engage, pull navel to spine, 3, 2, 1, relax. Engage, 3, 2, 1, relax. Again, pull in, 3, 2, 1, relax. That's 5, we're halfway there, 5 more. Pull, engage, 3, 2, 1, relax. Engage, 3, 2, 1, relax. Engage, 3, 2, 1, relax. 2 more. Engage, 3, 2, 1, relax. Last time. Engage, 3, 2, 1, relax. Good. I'm gonna switch back onto the hands and knees. So here we're gonna do an alternating arm and leg balance. So just start by making sure your wrists are stacked right below the shoulders and your knees are directly below the hips. And then let's reach the right arm out and then the left leg back. So from here, if you just want to hold the balance, you can just stay right here. If you want to start adding movement into it, you can bring your elbow to your knee and then reach back out. So we're going to do that 10 times. So just try to make sure you're not sinking into the shoulder. You want to extend and try to make sure you're reaching out through the fingertip and out through the toes or heels. So your body's as long as you can make it. And that will naturally engage the core back to the navel to spine. And then pull in, reach out. Good. Inhale on the way in. Exhale out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Let's try the other side. So just reset the shoulders, make sure they're feeling strong. Neutral spine, extend the right leg back and the left arm up. Good, so really reach out, make your body long, and let's go. Good, inhale as you come in, exhale as you reach out. Each time, try to make your body as long as you possibly can. Halfway there, 5 more. Inhale. Exhale. Two more to go. And last one. Good. Relax back down. So this next one is a bear crawl hold. So we're just gonna lift our knees up off the ground 10 times. You're really tucking your toes under. You're in that same position. Shoulders and wrists are in a straight line. Knees are right below the hips. And you're just gonna try to lift your knees about 1 inch up off the floor and hold. 3, 2, 1. Relax. 9 more. Lift. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Engage the core and lift. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Again, up and down. Up and down. Good, we got 5 more. Lift up. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good, just make sure the shoulders are still relaxed, spine's relaxed, the core is engaged. Lift up. 3, 2, 1. And 2 more. Up. 3, 2, 1. Good. And last one. Up. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Good. We're going to transition onto our backs. So lay on your back. You're gonna do, this is one that's like a very basic exercise that a lot of people do wrong. So I'm gonna break it down. Knees are bent at 90 degrees. Arms can be down by your side. I see a lot of people do this and they stick their hands under their butt. Now that protects the lower back, but the abs are never going to get stronger. So you really just want to work within your range of motion. So when you're doing this, you want to kind of tuck the back tailbone under so your spine's completely flat. And then keeping it flat, move your knees out to 90 degrees. Good. Really engage the core, pull your belly button down towards your spine. And then let's just try one leg. Just drop this heel as low as you can go and pull back up. If you feel any strain in your lower back, you went down too far. You can't go that far. So beginner version, keep doing that. Keep alternating your legs. If that feels too easy and you're not actually feeling any core engagement, then you can do both legs at the same time. But same thing goes, keep your back flat. Only go as low as you can keep it flat. If you feel it start to arch, then you've gone too far. Okay, so that's where we're working. So pick your poison, push the lower back down, and then slowly bring the heels down, and then lift back up. Down as low as you're comfortable, and back up. The other cue, if you come down and your belly goes up like this, that's a sign that you've gone down too far for your core to handle. So only go as far as you can keep the core engaged and the back flat. And that's 4. And we're halfway there. Good. 4 more. 3 more. 2. And last one. Good. Just pull the knees in for a second. We just have one more exercise. This is number 5. So from here, you're gonna cross your right leg over your left, bring your left hand behind your neck, and your right arm's going out straight on the floor. So with this one, there's a few different variations, so I'm gonna break it down beginner to more advanced. So beginner, you can just cross armpit towards the knee. So be careful not to just bend the elbow, like fold the arm in. You wanna still keep the elbow out wide and twist as far as you can towards the knee. If you wanna take it a step further, you can lift your foot up as you bring your armpit to the knee. So it would look more like this. But you should be engaging the lower abs to lift the leg, not just lifting the leg up by like taking the foot off the floor, bending the knee, and straightening it more. Instead, really connect with these muscles and see if that can lift the leg. If you can connect, then do that variation of lifting up and down. And if you want to be super badass, you can straighten out the leg and you're gonna go up and then reach it straight out and twist. All right, so pick your poison. You can try one of each and let's go. So I'll do the variation of just lifting the foot up off the floor. So take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, armpit to knee, and inhale on your way down. Good. That's 4 and 5. Good. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. You just got it the other side to finish up. So left leg crosses over, right hand behind the neck, left arm on the floor. And let's just try all 3 variations. Just give it a go, see what feels best on this side. Try the little foot lift. Good. Let's try straight leg. And of those 3, what felt the best today? And let's go for it. Take a deep breath in to prepare. And exhale as you lift up. Good. Inhale on the way down. So really twist. Try to get your armpit as far over towards the knee as you can, keeping the elbow out wide. That's number 3, I think. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Good. Relax. Stretch your legs out long and reach your arms up over your head. So if you want to repeat that again, then rewind the video and start. But if you're ready to stretch, let's chill. So just 2 stretches today. Just reach your arms up as tall as you can. Wiggle your heels down as long as you can. Just hold it there. Take a few breaths. Good. You're going to switch it over to a banana. So walk your feet to the right as far as you can. Cross the right ankle over the left, and then start to walk your hands and shoulders over to the right as far as you can. Don't let your hip or butt move. This butt should stay on the floor. I see a lot of people tend to kind of roll. Everything comes over. That's not the stretch. Keep it pinned down. Walk, walk, walk. Grab your left wrist with your right hand and just give it a nice pull over to the right. And just feel the space in between the hip bone and the rib cage on the left side, and just try to create more length in there. Good. Come back to center and do it to the left. Walk your feet over to the left and cross the left ankle over. Walk your hands and your shoulders over to the left. Grab your right wrist and give it a nice long pull. And just try to create more space between the right hip bone and rib cage. Just breathe. Deep breath in through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. And then come back to center. One more nice long stretch. Hug your knees into your chest. And you are all done. I hope that was a doable workout. I think it's gentle enough that it's not high impact or high energy or anything, but it is really engaging the core muscles. And so if you're not feeling so hot, it's a more difficult one to do. Like, I get really bad organ pain sometimes, so doing an abdominal workout is just not feasible. But this one, I think you should be able to do most of it, hopefully. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you're struggling with or anything you want me to create a different workout video for. And I hope you have that little moment of happiness today that makes life worth living.